Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another video. I'm holding these scissors because we are about to open this Jomar Wholesale box. I buy these boxes for my reselling business. Let's get it open and then we can discuss all the details. So I've been selling clothes and fashion stuff on eBay for 10 years. I also sell on Poshmark and I sell to Thredup. That's newer for me and I'm loving it, and I keep promising you guys an update video. This box is a TJ Maxx returns box. Now, okay, I'm getting it open. I forget how many items. This looks like a lot of stuff. And so this is the TJ Maxx Deluxe women's box. That's what totally got me with this box, Deluxe. Like, I think I want to start putting Deluxe in all my listings. I did buy a TJ Maxx return box a little while back from Jomar. That video's up on the channel if you want to check it out. It was an okay box. It wasn't amazing. It wasn't bad. It was pretty good. But this one's a deluxe, so I was wondering if there might be some better brands in here, stuff that'll sell well for me. Always use a discount when you shop on Jomar. If when you're checking out you put my code, The Grateful Queen, all one word, you get a discount. I earn credit so I can do more and more unboxings, and I really do appreciate anyone who uses my link. I appreciate it. So let's just get into it. That's enough talky talk. So there's supposed to be dresses in here and then just general women's stuff. I love shopping at TJ Maxx. So, ooh, right off the bat, this is a good one. Michael Kors, size medium. This is not as high-end as just Michael Kors. This is the lower-end Michael Kors, but look how cute. It's like a gray sweatshirt, and then look at the elastic waist on the bottom. It has a retail value of $88. This is the sort of stuff that as a clothing reseller, I really do want to have up in my stores for Christmas time. It's Q4. I'm filming this mid-November 2021. Q4 is a really great time for online resellers to make sales, but clothing resellers, not as much as people that are selling like toys or Christmas decorations. But if you have new tag stuff, people might come shop for gifts. I know I shop for my family on eBay and Poshmark. This is Nicole Miller. And I don't know, this is a returns box, so some of it will have tags, some of it won't. You know, there might be some minor issues. Like this one, I don't think has tags. This is like my favorite colors though. Look at this, you guys. All turquoise and blue, maxi midi dress. It's kind of tiered with a ruffle. I love this baby. Let me tell you the size in case you want something in this haul, just message me. I'm the Grateful Queen on Instagram and at Gmail and everywhere. This is a size 2. I really love that, and I love sending my maxi dresses to Thredup now because resellers will relate. It's harder to take pictures of long items like jumpsuits and maxi dresses. They drag on the floor. It's just like not so easy. Ooh, I love this. Oh, it's an extra small. Cynthia Rowley. I like this stuff I'm getting so far. Cynthia Rowley, there we go. I'm having trouble with my camera. If my big head's in there, it doesn't want to focus. There we go, Cynthia Rowley, just a midline kind of brand. This doesn't say what it retailed for, but oh, I love it. It's a boho peasant top. You guys know I'm in Northern California. I love my boho. Lots of embroidery on the neckline here. See how pretty that is? And I love white. Like, I'll wear ivory, white, cream all year round. It's not stopping me, the weather. Ooh, this is neat. Maybe there'll be free people in here, you guys, because they sell that at TJ Maxx. Nicole Miller Artelier. So this is another line, and it's got the new tag on it. A hooded sweater, crochet knit with a hood. Super cute. Here's what the tag looks like. I don't know what this line means of Nicole Miller, whether it's better or not, but if I'm listing this on eBay or Poshmark, I want to have a really good title, tons of details and keywords so customers can find my top. So I would put Nicole Miller Artelier, women's sweater, size small, crochet, hood, open knit, the color gray, and be good to go. I think that's super cute. Ooh, what is Just a friendly reminder, did you subscribe to the channel? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And also, there's a little bell next to it. Click that so that you get messages, notifications when a new video comes out or I go live. Thanks, friends. Ooh, what is this? This feels like micro suede or something. Maxx Studio. This is a really funny brand I want to talk to you guys about. I thought this was sold at like Macy's. It might be Maxx Studio. Well, this is one of these funny brands where I would never pick this up for reselling. If I get it in a box, it's not going to sell for me. But on Thredup, it sells great. I've sold 2 Maxx Studio things recently, and I get a decent payout. The MSRP was $98 for these suede straight leg pull-on pants in brown. Yeah, baby. I'm liking this box. I'm really excited to get on new tag stuff. Why not? Splendid. This is another one of those crazy brands. This is all going to Thredup. I'm so excited to have stuff to send them. Splendid, size extra small. This is a maxi. This was really on trend too. This like linen striped maxi. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I can't sell this stuff to save my life. Retailed for $168. Why doesn't that brand sell? It makes no sense to me. They make the cutest stuff, but I just have a very hard time selling it on eBay or Poshmark myself. Thredup, it seems to do okay. Ooh, this might be staying with Mama. Mama, I have a 10-year-old son, so I can say that. This is so me. This is a white linen, heavily embroidered tank top with a fringe hem. Maxx Studio size medium, retailed for $98. Look at all that heavy embroidery. Is it just me? I mean, I just love this stuff. Medium though, I'm more like a 12-ish, anywhere from a 10 to 14, depending on the brand. I'll put that one aside for me to try on.
I always tell you guys, I'm in it for the clothes.
I love the clothes. I love opening a mystery box. I love thrifting. So I don't hesitate to keep anything for myself. I'm always cleaning out my closet. It's a great place for me to get more inventory, bringing new stuff in, bringing the old stuff out. But that's probably not like a good reseller tip. Like, don't keep the merchandise. Sell it to make money, especially if this is your full-time gig. I'm a part-timer and I have a full-time psychotherapy practice. I have a few other business streams of income. So, is it good business advice to say that I keep whatever I want?
No, you probably shouldn't.
But it works for me. Nicole Miller, the Soho high-rise skinny ultralight, $99. I didn't know, size 12. I might try these on too. Look at how high those are with the fake distressing. I always think of my son Torvald, who's 10, and he's like, Mom, those jeans look so fake on you. Like, you can just tell those aren't like real rips. They're like too like perfect, like in a row. I'm like, you're totally right. Like, this doesn't look like natural, you know, distressing. They'll be like just, they're all symmetrical and everything. Those might look good on me though. Ooh, I got a lot of Nicole Miller. And guess what? If I was just selling this on eBay Posh, I'd be like, that it can sell, but Thredup, it'll sell. Ooh, look at this, size extra small. It has a built-in bra, and it's all silky. A long, silky maxi dress in the most gorgeous colors. Now, this is the sort of dress, like resort wear, that I'd be looking for. I go to Mexico every year, not last year because of COVID stuff, but I hope to go this year if it's safe to do so. And I love these dresses because they have little parties at the resort every night. Oh gosh, I love it. Good box so far. I'm gonna go order another one. I'm telling you guys, and I have to do this in every video. I'm sorry if you watch me regularly and have to listen to it over and over. Mystery boxes are a risk. I've got some great boxes and I've got some dud boxes. In fact, I just opened a dud Thredup box the other day. Wasn't good. So I got kind of a dud box. I try to show you all the range of boxes. I like a new tag box because I feel like it's safer. Pre-owned boxes sometimes have damage, but the advantage of the pre-owned box is sometimes I get a crazy bolos in there. So do your research. If you have any questions, message me, ask me questions. I'm happy to advise you. Oh, how cute. French Studio. This is a gorgeous rust-colored dress, all accordion pleated. Looks to be quite small. $168 price tag. That'll go to Thredup. The reason I love Thredup is because I don't have to do the work. I pack up a box and make a packing slip, and that takes a little bit of time, but then they photograph it for me. They put it on sale. They deal with customers. They ship it. I just send it to them. My payouts are on most things way less, but I'm doing way less work. Although some brands do better, I'm learning on Thredup. Oh my gosh, I've never found this myself. Show me your moo-moo. Yes, please. This is awesome. I think this must be like their evening wear line. I know Show Me Your Moo-Moo does bridal dresses. This could be like a, I don't know, mother of a bride dress. It's fancy. It doesn't say a price tag on it. See all these rhinestone bling on the cuff there? That's gorgeous. I said that the other day to my son. I was like, oh, what's that? You get some bling? And he's like, Mom, people don't say bling now. They say drip. You're wearing your drip. Okay. Oh my God, I did not know TJ Maxx carried J. Jill. This is like my favorite brand to sell. Give me some J. Jill and some Chicos and some Style & Co. and Talbots in large sizes and I'm all over it. Really gorgeous sweater, but it has this kind of layered look, but it's got a linen tunic underneath. Too bad it's a size small. I'm not gonna send this to Thredup because it's from season 2021. Linen and cotton. J. Jill, I'm just not getting enough. I've tested it out. I've sent in a few tops like that are small sizes because in J. Jill, small sizes don't do great for me on eBay and Posh. Most of my J. Jill sells on eBay. So I sent a few pieces into Thredup just trying it out and I got like $2. It's just not worth it. These are gorgeous career pants by Calvin Klein. That's a newer Calvin Klein label, the white with that font. Gorgeous, like seafoam green. $89. Calvin Klein women's career pants. Kind of a nice, those feel amazing. Like you can feel the, it kind of matches this vintage color here that my partner Petey and I redid that armoire with the chalk paint and stuff. Ooh, camo. I love camo because, oh gosh, you guys, this is like a moment. I'm having a moment. I gotta tell you a story about these. These are Hudson jeans. They don't have that flat pocket that you often see with Hudson. That's what the tag looks like. High waist, Barbara size 23, super skinny, 10-inch rise. I feel like I'm having a universe moment. I don't know. Take this for what it is. We can all believe different things. I respect whatever you believe. I'm a spiritual person. I went to a yard sale recently. I posted about this on Instagram. I made a pile of this woman's stuff because she said, I asked her how much are items and she said, oh, cheap, cheap. I said, well, like $1 or $2 cheap? Yeah. I'm like, okay, so I start piling up. I'm like, wow, she has some good stuff. Then when I go to pay, her daughter is like, no, a lot of that stuff's mine. There was a pair of Hudson's camo jeans in a small size like this. She said $10. $10. She made a whole pile of certain things that I found that were good. A Prana dress, a House of Harlow dress. $10 at a yard sale. I was like, no thanks, I think I'll pass. And then she seemed kind of mad at me. And then look, I got the Hudson jeans for far less than $10 in the mystery box. Just saying, what do you guys make of that story? Ooh, we have a bunch more stuff. I love this box. Remember, this is the TJ Maxx Deluxe, so you're paying up for better brands. Cynthia Rowley, I bought myself a Cynthia Rowley dress at TJ Maxx. One of those long boho peasant dresses, maxi dress with all the tiers. I love it. Size 4, gorgeous little ruffly dress in the best colors. And these are Nicole Miller, size large. These look very large to me. Very high waist, pull-on pants, thick, heavy knit, like a ponte knit, and it has a very subtle polka dot print. I want to try those on, actually. They look much bigger than a large to me. But I'm in love with the pull-on pants these days, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh, Adriana Goldschmied? Whoa. This is a very expensive brand of jeans. Adriana Goldschmied. It's sold at places like Nordstrom, and they're over $200 for a pair of jeans. Now, these have a little bit of issues. They're white. And you can see like some shelf wear probably from the warehouse because they have a tag on them. Waist 26, $175. So what I think I'll do, I love these jeans personally. The materials they use are fantastic. I think I will try and just spot clean these because they're clearly new with, like, you can see it's like dust. So I'll put that in a different pile. And I'll try and spot clean them so I don't have to remove the tag so I can still sell them as new. Whoa, look at this. Oh, I love this. Is this not me, friends? If you are a friend of the channel, maybe you've watched my videos before, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching my videos. But is this not a Quemby top? It's so boho-y. It's like gauzy thin. This, I'm gonna wear this in a video for you guys. I love it so much. People message me and they're like, I found a total Quemby top. Or they'll send me a picture on Instagram like, you're gonna love this. And I'm like, you're right. You know me and my peasant blouses. Modal. I love the fabric modal, but this is the brand. Oh no. The brand is Philosophy. Philosophy size large. Retail $58 for these modal fabric. They're saying buttery soft. Pull on with pockets. They have a little bit of a ribbed knit. I love you guys for staying with me. Don't miss the bye-bye sign at the end. If you know, you know. Okay, well, this is like a lot of Nicole Miller. Thank goodness it sells so well at Thredup. This is really pretty. It's like a silky color block tank. That would look so great at work if you put like paired it with a blazer. If you put a nice blazer on top. This one doesn't have a new with tags. That's gorgeous. And what is this pretty soft thing? French Connection, baby. This is such good stuff for Thredup for me. Retails for $98, and this is a big cowl neck. Size small. The nice big cowl neck. This is super duper soft. And you know what? I've been putting soft in my titles lately. I always told people, don't use those kind of words in your title, like amazing sweater, or because no one's searching amazing sweater. You want to use as many searchable keywords in your title. But as of this year, with the pandemic and everyone being home, I've been putting in super soft in my title because everyone wants athleisure. Everyone wants cozy, at-home sweatshirts and soft stuff. So I'm making an exception to my rule and I'm putting soft in my titles and descriptions right now. I probably won't do it forever. Thanks for watching this video. What do you guys think? Do you have a favorite piece? Would you buy this box? Let me know and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. See you next time, guys. Bye. Okay. I love this part. It's like, crank the little thing, going down. Here's the info. I don't like this part. Oh, there we go. Am I right? It looks a little crooked. Why can't this just be the same every time? I got my therapy outfit on. I feel like that's a little bit on the side, but I'll put the clothes over there. So let's just do it. Is that right? I don't know. I don't know. My mouth is so dry and I'm just trying to push through it. This is going really fast.